Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Reshma Santosh, and today's my topic is skill development. What is skill development? Whether it is impossible for everyone to develop the skill by their own? Definitely, everyone can able to execute their plans effectively and can bring something good in their life, right? So, but all are not utilizing their abilities, their talents in a proper way. That's all, right? So, this skill development includes concentration, talent, observation ability, memory power, focus, etc. So everyone is having these qualities inside, but they are not utilizing in a proper way. Right. So if we are not utilizing these qualities and abilities in a proper way, it's just waste, right? So if all these qualities and abilities are controlled by our mind, so if we are not able to control our mind, the mind will control us, right? So we should be in a position to control our mind in a proper way. So memory power is the key factor for the skill development. um, I'll give one example. That is, we all know very well that Swami Vivekananda can able to read very fast. Not only can able to read very fast, what are the things he has read, he can able to collect it, recollect all the sentence of the particular books and all. So he loved to travel a lot. So one day, wherever he went, also he find out the library. So one day he went to a library and he has chosen more books and went back. Next day he returned all the books. He has continued this activity for the 2 3 days. That means taking more books, returning next day, taking more books, then going back and returning to the library next day. So that librarian has been noted this. One day he asked, "Why you are doing this? Taking more books and going back, returning next day itself. And I'm sure that you are not reading those books. And it is impossible to read these books within one day. You're not doing. You're just looking the books, and you can do that from here itself. Why you are taking these books to your home?" He asked like that. So Swami Vivekananda smiled and replied that, "No, you misunderstood. I'm reading. I'm not at all reading. I'm recollecting all the words and sentence of a particular book. You can test." So the librarian tested. So he was shocked and he asked, "Mm, how it is possible? It is very difficult now because you're taking more books and also reading very fast also. That too, you are remembering all the sentence. It is difficult now." So Swami Vivekananda replied, "It's all about brain power." And he has given two rules to increase the brain power. The first one is unitasking, and the second one is focus on important tasks. That is the second rule. So unitasking means mm, one work one time. Usually all people are doing what? One work one time, 5 to 6 works. If we are watching TV, we'll be thinking about what will be tomorrow, what will be the next moment, like that. We are not fully concentrated, we are not dedicating fully to watching the TV, we are not enjoying fully. Same way, if you are eating food means we are not enjoying that food completely because we'll be talking some other topics and eating that food. So same way he told that if I am reading the particular book means I'll be just focusing on reading that particular portion so that I can able to complete it very fast and also I can able to remember it ever. So mm, That means we have to control our mind. We have to train our mind to focus only uh, single activity for a long time. If we can able to control our mind to focus and concentrate only on a single activity for a long time, means that is the greatest talent what we possess, right? So the second one is focus on important task. That means we should understand what is important and what is not. Based on the necessity, we have to prepare for every activity, preparation for the job or preparation for an exam, whatever may be, based on the necessities. What is necessary should be focused. What is not necessary should not focused. Right. So, focusing the mind, training the mind, it is not possible if you are going to prepare for the examination just before. If you are training your mind that I have to control my mind, I have to control my mind, no, it's impossible. So you are just wasting the time that I have to control my mind. It's not a good time, it's not a better time to prepare your mind to control or to focus on the single activity. When you are free, when you are relaxed, when you are not in a pressure, that time you have to control. That time you have to bring your mind to control. That is, train your mind to focus on a particular single activity. That is, he included that is possible through meditation. So meditation will help you to bring your mind in concentrating only on a single activities. It will bring you in the another world. That is, yeah, doing meditation for 1 day and 2 day will not bring any changes. You have to continue in your life. So what you feel today will not be the feeling for the tomorrow. It will make a little changes in your life, right? So same way you have to practice lifelong, so that you can able to control your mind. You can able to focus on a particular activity. That concentration power will increase and memory powers also will increase. Idea generation, everything will come through meditations, right?